Journal is something we only gave to our inner circle of traders, and for the first time ever, we're making it available to the public. So here's the trading log where you input all your trades. This here is the dashboard, which then compiles and aggregates everything you inputted in the trading log and presents it to you with useful data. And this here is the magic of how this journal turns regular traders into winners. The dashboard tells you things like which strategies have been working best for you. It shows you what exit types worked the best for you. It shows you the mistakes you've made over and over again. It shows you what risk reward has worked best. It shows you what specific assets you've made the most money on so that you can focus more on those. And there's so much more data it gives you, which we'll be getting into. The reason you have to journal is because it's impossible to remember all these details of every trade you took. This is literally the most important step of your trading journey and is what all pro traders use daily. This is the secret to trading successfully. Before we continue, please hit the like button as it allows our team to continue to produce more free content on YouTube. So let's find some trading setups you would add to your journal. Let's say you are only looking for trend continuation trades and only want to trade stocks at the moment. This is the Coinbase stock 4-hour time frame. You notice a moving uptrend, so you want to trade with the trend. Price consolidates and forms a descending triangle pattern. Price breaks above the pattern with this massive bullish engulfing candle that also makes a higher high, which signals strong bullish momentum and a possible continuation of the uptrend. So you decide to apply your own trend continuation strategy and decide to enter on this candle here. Stop loss placed here, profit target placed here. As price moved up, you started trailing your stop loss with the trend to lock in profits. And when price pulled back, it touched your trailing stop loss and you were automatically closed out for a profit. Your emotional state during this trade was confident, as you've seen Bitcoin skyrocketing recently and know that brokerages like Coinbase are positively correlated. Let's now jump back to the journal and log this winning trade. This is the trading log tab and is where you do all your journaling. These aren't actual trades we took. We just pre-filled this one so that you can get an overall idea of how it all works. First, we add the date and time. Click the drop down and select stock. Now for the asset section, we need to jump to the setup page, so click it at the bottom here. Add the Coinbase stock symbol into the trading assets section. Once we have this, we jump back to the trading log. So now for the asset section, when you click the drop down, you can find the Coinbase stock symbol you just added and you select it. Next, you choose your account. There are 3 options: your Forex account, your crypto account, or your stock account. And since we are trading a stock, we select our stock account. You can also customize and add as many different accounts as you want in the setup page. For the strategy section, select trend continuation strategy, since that's the one you used. Again, you can customize whatever strategies you use inside of the setup page. For direction, select long, because it was a long trade. For the trade size, it's expressed as lot sizes. We explain how to enter sizing correctly in our instruction page. Next, you enter the entry price, enter the stop loss price, enter your take profit, enter the trade fees. You should then add your entry reason here. So, for this specific trade, we'll add pattern break entry, and then add additional notes. Bullish Bitcoin correlation. Then once we scroll to the right, your position setup and risk model section will automatically fill based on what you just entered. Next, we fill out the closed position section, which is how the trade actually closed out for you. For the exit type, we select trailing stop loss. Again, you can fully customize the exit types you use inside of the setup page. Then once we scroll more to the right, the trade outcome and performance summary will automatically fill. Next, the final section, which is the post-trade review. Select your emotion during this trade. So we select confident. Again, you can fully customize the emotions you use inside of the setup page. Then select the level of confidence out of 5 stars. Then select how disciplined you were during this trade out of 5 stars. You should also add some post-trade notes here. Correlations equals confidence. Let's jump back to the charts and add more trades. Let's say you are only looking for pullback and retracement trades and only want to trade Forex at this moment. This is the dollar-yen currency pair 4-hour time frame. You notice a moving uptrend before price starts to pull back and retrace. Price reaches the zone and forms a bullish green candle, presenting a long trade setup. Trendline placed above, and once it broke, it signals a continuation of the larger uptrend. So you decide to apply your own pullback and retracement strategy and decide to enter here. Stop loss placed here. Profit target placed here at the key level, as you're worried price could hit it and reverse back down. Price then moved up, hit your profit target, and you closed the position out for a profit. Your emotional state during this trade was disciplined, as you followed all your rules and were conservative with this trade. Let's now jump back to the journal and log this winning trade. Fill out everything again based on the trade you took. Select Forex, dollar-yen, Forex account, pullback retracement strategy, and for sizing, our spreadsheet automatically calculates the sizing for regular pairs versus yen cross pairs, so no need to stress. Exit type, target price hit. Emotion, disciplined. Now that we've covered how to log trades, let's go to the trading dashboard. The dashboard is where the magic happens. It compiles and aggregates everything you inputted in the trading log and presents it in high-quality, usable data that you can use to make changes to your trading process for explosive improvements. This here is the strategy analytics. It shows you which strategies have been performing the best overall and which ones have been performing the worst overall. So what you do is you focus more of your effort on the strategies that have been working for you and then remove the ones that haven't been as successful. Without being able to visualize this, it would be impossible for you to make changes and improvements. This is your emotional score overall. So roughly half the time, you're calm and focused. And then the other half, you're frustrated, meaning you need to work on bringing down your frustration by referencing your trade mistakes, which we will be getting into next. This section shows you what asset classes you trade the best. So in this case, you want to focus more on Forex, as you've been doing the best with this asset class. This here shows you whether you do better long trading versus short trading. This section shows you what exit types have been performing the best for you. This here tells you what time of day that you traded performed the best, but also your best and worst hold durations of positions, meaning how long you held the trade on average that worked the best. Here's the overall performance snapshot. The risk management section shows you what risk reward has worked best for you. Now, what we are showing you on this dashboard is just a simple summary. As you can tell, there's a lot of other data and numbers given here. With this journal, we include a step-by-step walkthrough guide explaining how to use and interpret all the data and numbers here so that you can effectively make insane improvements to your trading.